In addition, we also have other technologies based on ATM. One of these is DSL, the Digital Subscriber Line. There are a wide variety of DSL implementations, like the Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line, or ADSL, which is one of the most popular technologies. We have iDSL, VDSL, and HDSL. There are a lot of different options of digital subscriber line technology that can be used. However, DSL itself is an ATM technology on the back end where the service provider cloud is. ATM is actually used to make the connection through the service provider cloud because ATM is one of the technologies of choice with service providers. They actually provide a termination device called a DSLAM. This DSLAM actually makes the transition between ATM and the digital subscriber line. The only limitation with DSL is how far away your entry point is from the DSLAM. We have to be approximately 18,000 feet away to be able to get the appropriate speeds with DSL. It's kind of difficult to maintain such distances in a lot of areas, especially rural areas, which are nowhere near being that close to a central office for the service provider. So DSL can be very prohibitive as far as coverage. One of the reasons why ISDN, or frame relay, is used quite a bit is because it's a low-cost solution that can provide decent speeds and is a lot easier to obtain than DSL.